Summer is a time for sunshine and blue skies. The days are long and the nights are warm, inviting us to spend more time outdoors. Whether it's a trip to the beach, a picnic in the park, or just lounging in the backyard, summer is all about enjoying the simple pleasures of life. It is a time for lazy days and warm nights. We find ourselves slowing down, taking a break from the hustle and bustle and savoring each moment. The gentle breeze, the sound of laughter, and the feeling of grass under our feet all contribute to the magic of summer. And it is a time for ice cream. This delightful treat becomes a staple in our summer diet, bringing joy to both young and old. The sight of an ice cream truck or a street vendor instantly brings a smile to our faces. There is something about a cold, creamy scoop of ice cream on a hot day that is simply irresistible. The way it melts in your mouth, the burst of flavor, and the refreshing coolness make it the perfect summer treat. But why is it that ice cream tastes even better in the summer? Is it the contrast between the heat of the day and the coldness of the ice cream? Or perhaps it's the memories associated with summer vacations and childhood. Is it just because it's cold? Or is there something more to this delightful experience? The texture, the sweetness, and the way it cools us down all play a role, but there's more to uncover. Or is there something more to this summertime craving? Could it be the social aspect of sharing ice cream with friends and family, or the nostalgia it brings from our childhood days? As it turns out, there are scientific reasons behind our love for ice cream in the summer. Our bodies and brains respond to the heat in ways that make cold treats even more appealing. Let's explore the fascinating connection between our bodies, our brains, and our taste buds when it comes to this beloved treat. Join us as we dive into the science and the joy of summer's sweetest treat, ice cream. Our bodies are complex machines, and they react to changes in temperature in fascinating ways. When the sun blazes down and the heat becomes almost unbearable, our bodies start to send signals that we need to cool down. This is why we often find ourselves reaching for something cold and refreshing. When it's hot outside, our bodies crave cool and refreshing foods to help us regulate our internal temperature. Cold drinks, popsicles, and ice cream are not just treats, they are our body's way of coping with the heat. Ice cream, with its icy coldness, fits the bill perfectly. The moment it touches our tongue, it starts to cool us down from the inside out. But it's not just about cooling down. There's more to our summer cravings than just temperature regulation. Our bodies also crave sugar more in the summer. This is because we tend to be more active in the warmer months, engaging in activities like jogging, cycling, and playing sports. Sugar provides a quick source of energy, which is essential when we're burning more calories through increased physical activity. Ice cream, with its combination of sugar, fat, and coldness, becomes irresistible. It's not just a treat, it's a necessity for many during the hot summer days. It's the perfect way to cool down, replenish energy, and satisfy our sweet cravings all at once. So the next time you find yourself reaching for that ice cream cone, remember, it's your body's way of keeping you cool and energized. Have you ever noticed that flavors seem more intense in the summer? That's not your imagination. Heat actually enhances our sense of taste and smell. When temperatures rise, the molecules that carry scent and flavor become more volatile, meaning they travel more easily through the air and to our noses and mouths. This heightened sense of smell and taste makes ice cream even more appealing in the summer. We can detect the sweetness of the sugar, the richness of the cream, and the subtle flavors of vanilla, chocolate, or fruit more intensely. Each bite is an explosion of flavor, making the experience all the more enjoyable. Section 4. The brain's desire for delight. Our brains play a significant role in our food cravings, and ice cream is no exception. The creamy texture, the sweet taste, and the cold sensation all combine to create a delightful experience that our brains find hard to resist. When we eat ice cream, especially on a hot day, our brains release dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This chemical reaction is what makes us feel so good when we take that first bite. This dopamine rush reinforces the desire for ice cream, making us crave it even more. It's a cycle of pleasure that our brains are eager to repeat. Moreover, ice cream is often associated with happy memories of childhood summers, vacations, and special occasions. These memories are powerful triggers that enhance our craving for this sweet treat. These positive associations create a psychological craving for ice cream, connecting it to feelings of joy, relaxation, and contentment. The simple act of eating ice cream can transport us back to those carefree days. So when we indulge in ice cream on a warm summer day, it's not just our taste buds that are satisfied, but also our brains, which revel in the pleasure and nostalgia associated with this sweet treat. It's a moment of pure bliss that combines sensory delight with emotional fulfillment. Section 5. A perfect summer indulgence. In conclusion, the reason ice cream tastes better in the summer is a delightful combination of science and psychology. Our bodies crave coolness and sugar to combat the heat. Our senses are heightened, allowing us to experience the flavors more intensely. And our brains associate ice cream with happiness and reward. So the next time you find yourself reaching for a scoop of ice cream on a scorching summer day, know that you are not alone in your craving. It is a perfectly natural and understandable response to the season.